matanga wazvinzwaka kuti ini president osumudzira madzimai zviri kuchinja makombiyuta ndauya nawo awo pane zana mungazofunga kuti mapiwa ministry ICT aiwa ndini kana zviya zvimwe zvatikuapa maprinter nechi namascreens kungokanga mozva ngasini ndanda zvitenga sunga anoproducer sunga anodistributor sunga anosvuta nonomwa kana akastika sunga ena in 2018 ndakaona kuti mapurisa nevokuva chiubvu varinzichi vokuprisons mavhotera vahasina isi. I've also Commissioner General Matanga given you 6 helicopters. Unodziita sei? 6 helicopters. Saka rara uchifunga kuti unodzishandisa sei. We are also witnessing the official renaming.
This is a clear violation of the electoral law. The president cannot intimidate police officers, cannot intimidate prison officers as the army officers as well. This simply confirms the reports we have been hearing about prison officers being forced to use postal voting, where they can be coerced to vote for a particular political organization which they do not intend to vote for. So there is chaos in Zimbabwe because of poor salaries, poor remunerations, poor services, and complete disregard of the rule of law from ZANU-PF leaders. And this is causing disharmony among citizens, the civil service, and everyone else. So this is wrong for President Mnangagwa to actually mention that how the police voted, how the ZPCs voted in the past did not sit well with him. Kana vanhu vasina kuvhotera havakudi. That is a clear issue. Iwewe ndiwe waitofanira kutomira kuti ndochiita sei zvinoita kuti vanhu ava vandide. Why is it that these people rejected me? So this is so wrong, and we expected to see President Mnangagwa conducting himself in a professional manner, conducting himself as a leader of the people, because right now he is the leader, he's leading Zimbabwe, and we expect to see him uniting Zimbabwe, we expect to see him protecting Zimbabweans, we expect to see him making sure that everyone is safe. This is the reason why you see our prison officers or police officers being victimized by their bosses, because President Ndovatopa power to them to these bosses to victimize the others. So it's wrong, but we remain resolute. The people of Zimbabwe shall speak in the ballot. No matter how they try to coerce people, they try to force people, the people will speak in the ballot. And victory is certain, victory shall come, victory shall be for the citizens, shall be for the people of Zimbabwe. So let us continue to vote, let us continue to mobilize, let us continue to work so hard to make sure that we win these elections. Despite challenges we are facing, rallies are being banned, but we know for sure that we are going to win this election, because all hands are on the deck to make sure that we vote, we protect, we defend the vote.